Hi, fifth grade. How are you? Today we're gonna start with our general knowledge class. Okay. We're gonna be working with earth layers, and we're gonna learn what's each of these layers. Okay. Earth is a big rock. Okay, and it's like we already know it's round. And it has several layers like an onion. Okay. We cannot really peel it as an onion, but we can know and identify what those layers are, what do they contain, and what's the name of them. Okay, the first layer that we're gonna know. Let's see if we can see the picture here. We have the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. Yeah, the crust would be our first layer, and that layer is the thinner of them. But it doesn't mean that we're gonna just go like pass it through very easily. Okay, it's thin because it measures about 7 kilometers to 5 kilometers thick. Okay, it's not as small as you would think, but 5 kilometers is a lot. Okay. Then this layer has rock. It's mostly made of rock, and it's like where we live. The second layer you have is the mantle. Yeah, the mantle is over here, and this layer is made of mostly. It's made of silicate rocks and magnesium and iron. Is about 3,000 kilometers deep. Okay, and it doesn't have many other characteristics. Okay, it's only 3,000 kilometers deep and made of iron and other metals. The next layer would be the outer core. Yeah, over here you have the outer core. Right here, the outer core is one of the closest to the center of Earth, and this core has also metals like iron, and is very hot. It's as hot as 5,000 centigrades degree. Okay, that's why those metals they get melted. Okay, metals usually are solid, but this layer is so hot that makes these metals to melt and become liquid. They change from solid to liquid. Then the last layer is the inner core. Okay, the inner core is the center of Earth. It's like the heart of Earth, and it also has metals inside. It has iron and nickel. But this is the hottest of all of them. Okay, even though it's so hot, and those two metals can be melted because it's super hot, the center of Earth is not completely liquid because it's like you put a lot of pressure into something. Okay, and when there is so much pressure, they get solid. Okay, so the metals are liquid because it's hot. But this is under so much pressure that is becoming solid. Okay, it stayed solid the whole time. Going to the center of the Earth is as hot as the sun. It's the hottest layer of Earth. For this lesson, you have other materials you can look at in Google Classroom. And those are a website where I took the information that you could use. The Google Slides that you're going to be looking at for making your own Google Slides, and the instructions that help you know what to do. Okay? What are you going to do for this class? The activity is to create your own Google Slides. You're going to use 5 slides. The first one is the cover, and 1 slide for each one of the parts of the layers of Earth. Okay? 1 slide for the crust, 1 slide for the mantle, 1 slide for the outer core, and 1 slide for the inner core. And each slide has only 3 things. Okay? The title, the picture and a short, very short definition of what this layer is. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, if you have any doubts, you can text me. You can use Google Classroom, or you can comment on the video on YouTube. And I hope this helps a lot. I will explain how to make the presentation in another video. Okay, take care. Bye bye.